Yes, guys, welcome back and happy Wednesday to you all. Welcome to part 8 of the account build, guys, 500 to 5k. As you can see, we have no positions running, guys. Uh, yeah, today, the last 24 hours has been really frustrating. I was over 500. I took a loss on the British pound Swiss franc. Lost 30 quid. I was up to 506, guys. No transactions, still the same account, but we're up to £471. Today, guys, has been, well, last 24 hours has been very frustrating. Um, I'll go on Trading View and I'll explain to you basically what my thought process was. And obviously, I was in my sales from down here. I added positions here. When we were down here, the account was up to £1,300. I thought, yeah, Gucci, happy days. We had this pullback. I thought nothing of it to begin with. I thought, yeah, okay, Sam, we've got a pullback. And then we were starting to not get lower. And then we were coming up higher. And last night, the account, it was going down to like 506. I entered the British pound Swiss franc. Up here, I would have been up down to like 300. Guys, I didn't want to take the risk. I was at 500. I didn't want to take the risk, so I just closed the trade. The account was at £506, and then today, look what it's done today. So we would have been up to 1,300 again today, guys. But I managed the risk on it, guys. We brought the account right back in the game. We're back in the game. It was just unfortunate. It was unfortunate. These long-term swing trades, guys. They're very, 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 very frustrating, to be honest. On currencies, they just don't work. So I've adapted, and I'm basically going to be introduced. Still going to swing trade, but maximum 1-2 days in a trade because it doesn't pay otherwise, guys. It doesn't pay. We're going to be in and out of trades. We're going to be taking profits. We're going to be treating trading like a game of cricket now, guys. Josh Butler and Joe Root, literally, we're going to be knocking it out, getting them runs up, going for the 50s, going for the 100s, and it builds, guys. This is the approach I'm now taking going forward on the account build. I'm not going to go for the home runs. We're going to go back to basics and I'm going to build it properly. So, yeah, Euro USD, guys, very unfortunate. Guys, have you seen gold? We've obviously peaked at literal all-time highs, and today we've just crashed. So, good old gold just being gold. If people are thinking of getting into some longs, guys, then here we go. There's some 4-hourly demand for you, and that's a rally-based rally. So, yeah, guys, if you want to get yourself positioned in some gold longs, there's your potential demand area for your longs. We won't talk about EURUSD because it's just, yeah, the last 24 hours is being a bit hot, being a bit, yeah, not the best really. In terms of trading, guys. Well, to be fair, what can we learn by it, guys? This is a trade I'm planning on taking on the build account on the DAX. I'll just show you them losses on the British pound today. That was yesterday. I entered on it yesterday, taken out, and then yeah, today. So all in all, we're down £41 on the build account, guys. We're down £41 on the build account. We've brought it back from 130 quid, 160 quid, 180 quid, up to 200, then to 370, then back to 200 again. We're building it back up, guys. Remember, this is a marathon, not sprint, and we are building it up to something great, guys. And I'm going to show you all. But yeah, I'm looking to get in position on the DAX here. This is going to be my next trade that I'm going to be in. Pretty gutted as well, guys. Have a little look at coffee. Where's coffee? Again, we just got stung. All the ideas, they play out, but I just miss them, or I get caught out. It's a bit frustrating. It's part of swing trading, hence why I'm adapting to it. I'm not doing long-term swing trades no more, guys. It just doesn't pay. You know, it just you you get caught out at break even more times than you do wins, guys. So yeah, we're just going to be getting the home runs, and we're going to be doing well doing it. This is going to be a different animal of trading now, guys. This is going to be a completely different animal now. US dollar Mexican peso. I'm thinking of getting in longs, but we're not near the demand yet, guys. So we're still going to wait. US dollar Swiss franc. Potential idea here. I'm going to, yeah. Guys, this has got some nice potential. What do you reckon we new colour in as well? What do you reckon we new colours? I like it. I think it looks goofy. It's not so in your face. It's not so bright. It's just the right tone. But yeah, I like this. US dollar Swiss franc. Might have missed the entry, guys, but you know, we are trending down. This is a predominant downtrend on the US dollar Swiss franc, guys. So basically, we want to, if we don't get another pullback here, we want to be expecting to see these highs getting broken here to then start your new uptrend. So I think patience is needed on the US dollar Swiss franc. Let's have a look at the New Zealand dollar US dollar. Yeah, we've spoken about this before. Great trade. Where it goes. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, another one, guys, that we got stung on the build account. You know, we just got a little bit early, but yeah, it's just one of them. Bit unfortunate. We went all the way up and then went down. And there's always something to learn from within trading. And you know what? I'm learning a lot as I go with this build account, guys. It's taking me back to my roots in terms of trading. And I am learning a lot. And now, because, you know, every psychological day, it doesn't matter how long you've been trading, every trade is different. And what I'm just learning about, right, I got into too early, but sometimes, guys, market timing can be so difficult. It could be so difficult, or it could be so easy. And the new approach that I'm going to be taking, guys, is literally going to blow your minds. I'm going to take trading to the next level now. This is going to be supply and demand trading like you've literally never seen it before. We're talking institutional style stuff in terms of bits of kit, shall I say. But yeah, guys, the next episodes after this one is going to be game changing, and we should definitely see a big substantial difference in the account, guys. We're still going to keep our discipline. We're not just going to execute for the fun of it. We're still going to, you know, guys, there isn't a lot going on, is there? I mean, gold, I do like gold for getting in potentially. Gold is got some long potential. I'll check market AI, see what market AI is saying, see what news we got coming. I know we got some big news coming on Friday, guys, for the USD. And it's nice to see that we finally got some US dollar strength there. We've come from this demand, and we're now starting to take off. It's really good to see. Just a shame I'm still out the Euro USD trade, but hey ho. Yeah, US dollar's got a lot of potential. So how we're going to attack the account now, guys? How we are going to attack the account now? What we are going to do? We are waiting for the DAX trade to set up. We're going to wait for this DAX trade to set up, and we are going to enter it here. We're going to put our stop loss there, and we're targeting that. And that is our target. That is our target. We're out of the trade. 3-1, bang, out of the trade. Job done. Close the trade, and we'll see what the DAX does. We'll see what it's doing in terms of price action. We'll wait for another pullback. So the DAX will, you know, imagine that the DAX is playing out now. Bang, we hit our target. We pull back. Away we go. and this is my next trade, guys. We are going to smash it now. We're going to absolutely smash it, and we're not going to swing trade no more. We're going to intraday trade, day trade. We're going to be in and out of trades in hours, 1 to 2 to 3 days maximum. All right. So yeah, guys, we are up. We are only £41 down in total. We have still got a long way to go, guys, but it's going to be insane now. This side of the journey is now going to be a different animal. So stay with it, guys, because now we've got lift off. Trust me. See you soon. Cheers.